Today we are on a special mission as we are checking out a new built apartment to see whether it suits for our guests. The holiday home is located about 300 kilometers north of the Arctic Circle in Finnish Lapland, in the beautiful area of Lake Inari. The holiday home itself appears to be located directly on a lake, so that looks very promising. The house is completely surrounded by nature. In the end, it wasn't that easy to find it, as it's only accessible by a system of travel roads. But we found it. Oh, there they are. Woohoo! We found it! The lovely owners Patrick and Nima and their dog Simba were waiting for us to show us their holiday home. The cottage can accommodate up to 4 people. There are also 2 smaller holiday homes nearby if you want to travel with a larger family or a group of friends.
Oh wow!
Oh.
Ah!
Lite innesauna så.
Das ist eine grosse Überraschung da.
Ja, nein, das ist einfach ausgegangen, ja.
Ah. Oh wow. Wow. And there's definitely enough wood provided. Wow, that was nice. We can definitely recommend it. What do you think of the holiday home? Comment below and find the link to book the cottage in the description. And please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Safe travels.